So you don't have to wait for me in class. Here's a bit of an explanation of what we're doing at the moment. So just showing the application first. Here is the table of data that I've got from the database of all the students with the laptops that have been issued to them. And as you can see, each student can appear multiple times and each laptop can appear multiple times. It's a many-to-many relationship. The thing that I have done is I've made a form, so not styled particularly well, but Sandra Fandra can be issued with laptop number 2, submit that, and she's been added to the bottom of the list. So let's just have a look at how the magic happens. So this stuff you've already got. This is the one where we get all of the data from the database, that query that we made in Access, and then we pass that data to the table. And you'll see that I've done a nice job of tidying up the table. It'd be very easy to add a little bit of bootstrap to that and actually make it look good. Anyway, then we get down to the issuing a laptop, and we've got the usual thing. We'll come back to this in a moment about when someone has submitted the form, but let's go down to this bit. We haven't submitted a form, so we're going to actually display the form. So I do two queries. I do a select from the students table and I do a select from the laptops table, and I create two separate data sets, students and laptops, and then both of those data sets get passed to the template. Students equals students, laptops equals laptops. Straightforward. Let's go and have a look at the template. So over in the template, which is issue.html, I've made two drop downs, select. So the students one loops through the students dataset and creates an option value for each one, or an option, HTML. And the laptop select loops through the laptops dataset and does that. Then I've got a submit button. So that's straightforward. And then the final thing is in here, when the form has been submitted, I go get the data that has been submitted, of course, and I do an SQL insert. We've done this before, and submit it, and then just redirect back to the home page. So it's not actually that complicated. All the little bits are, kind of spread around a little bit, but should be doable. Good luck.